Good morning, students. I am your new teacher, Sana Mirza. As you know, I already explained a lecture to you. So, what we had learned yesterday uh, in subject EVS, this is for class 3rd. Our festival, I already explained to you our festivals. So, what I had explained already, just to get the connectivity, I am just explaining it here once again. So, I explained you about national festivals. What about national festivals? What are our national festivals and what I had already explained you? I explained you about Independence Day, which is on 15th August. Why we are celebrating it? We are celebrating it because on this day, on 15th August 1947, we got independence. That's why the whole nation is celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. Then I explained Republic Day. What Republic Day? Republic Day is we are celebrating Republic Day on 26th January. Why we are celebrating it? Because we adopted our law, the rules and regulations for our country, and we adopted it on 26th January. So on 26th January we celebrate Republic Day. So I explained you in last lecture about Independence Day and Republic Day. Now I am just continuing from here to our third national festival, which is in your book, which is Gandhi Jayanti on page number 2626. You can see over here 2626 page number. That is Gandhi Jayanti. What is this? Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. What is this? Gandhi Jayanti. Now, there is also a reason behind it. Why we are celebrating it, as we have reasons to celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day. We also have reason to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Why we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti? Why? Do you know Gandhi is some related thing? Like, have you heard about Gandhi surname? सुना? Okay. महात्मा गांधी. Okay. महात्मा गांधी सुना है? मुझे लगता है सबने सुना होगा, इसलिए. तो महात्मा गांधी was our national, what is this? Bapu, we call him Bapu, father of nation. He is father of nation. So he is father of nation, so this is also national. Nation, national, connectivity बनाइए थोड़ा सा. So we are celebrating it on 2nd October. जैसे we have Independence Day on 15th August. When 15th August. So we have Republic Day on 26th January. Same. We also have a date for Gandhi Jayanti, which is 2nd October. What is it? 2nd October. It is also have a particular date. Why we are celebrating it? Okay, क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि इस दिन गांधी जी का बर्थडे है. महात्मा गांधी, मोहनदास करमचंद्र गांधी. जैसे आपका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट होता है क्लास में, होल क्लास इज क्लैपिंग ओवर हियर, वी आर जस्ट विशिंग यू हैप्पी बर्थडे, मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. सेम एज इट इज आवर फादर ऑफ नेशन इज महात्मा गांधी, मोहनदास करमचंद्र गांधी. हिज निकनेम, you can call it pet name, Mahatma. Like all of you have different name. Your nickname or pet name from at your home is different from here. Like सार्थक को घर पे रिंकू बोलते हैं, ठीक है. वैसे ही मोहनदास करमचंद्र गांधी जी को हम महात्मा गांधी बोलते हैं. So Mahatma Gandhi is our father of nation, and that's why on his birthday we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Jayanti itself means birthday. In Hindi, birthday is known as Jayanti. So we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October. And where we are celebrating it? Like Independence Day celebrated on Red Fort in Delhi. Republic Day celebrated from Vijay Chowk to where? From Vijay Chowk to that I forgot also. So it's from Vijay Chowk to Rajpath. Okay, from Vijay Chowk to Rajpath we are celebrating Republic Day. See, then Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrating on Rajghat. Why Rajghat? Only why we are celebrating it on Rajghat? Because there is Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi is there. Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi is there. That's why Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated there only. So we are all the home ministers and all the politicians, all the army officials gathered over there, and they just pay tribute or homage to Gandhiji. Like they are just decorate that Samadhi, and they are just giving them Shraddhanjali. Okay, tribute. They pay tribute to Gandhiji there. Then move to our next national festival. Okay, I am just repeating it again. Okay, for the continuity. There is three type of festivals in our book, which is first national festival, second religious festival, third one is harvest festival. Then I explained you about Independence Day, which is celebrated on 15th August. We got freedom from Britishers. That's why we are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. From 1947 we are celebrating it till now. We are independent and we got freedom. Then I explained you about second national festival, which is Gandhi Jayanti, which is Republic Day. So Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. When 26th January, why we are celebrating it? We adopted our own constitution on that day. That's why we are celebrating Republic Day on 26th January. From when? 1950. Then third one is our third national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. I just explained it. Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated on 22nd of October. Why we are celebrating it? We are celebrating it to pay tribute to our father of nation, which is Mahatma Gandhi, and it is also known as Bapu. You already heard about Bapu. Okay, he was the father of nation. That's why we are celebrating it on his birthday on 2nd of October. And Prime Minister, President of India, Prime Minister of India, armies, and all the homages are gathered on Rajghat to pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi on his birthday. That's why we are also celebrating it as a Gandhi Jayanti. Then the fourth one is on your. You can see this picture. Okay, before I move to, you can see this picture. This is Rajghat picture. This is Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, this is this one. You can see in this picture. Okay, then I am moving to next. What is next? Children's Day. What is that? Children's Day. Okay, why we are celebrating Children's Day? Now we had talked about national festival, and आपकी बात ना हो, बच्चों की बात ना हो, कैसे चलेगा? So we are celebrating Children's Day on 14th of November. When? On 14th of November. Why we are celebrating it? As we are celebrating Independence Day, there is a reason behind it. We are celebrating Republic Day, there is also a reason behind it. We are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, so there is also a reason behind it. So there is also a reason behind Children's Day celebration. Our first Prime Minister, who just hoisted flag on Red Fort on when we got freedom in 1947, 15th August. Who was our first Prime Minister? I already explained you, already told you who was our first Prime Minister. Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has also a birthday like Gandhiji. Gandhiji also have birthday, so he also have on his birthday. On which person's birthday? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We are celebrating Children's Day. What we are celebrating? Children's Day. And on what date it came? comes like 14th of November. November. Every year on 14th of November we are celebrating in our nation. In India only we are celebrating Children's Day. It's not like in USA it's celebrated here only in India. That's why this is national festival. When it is celebrated, I am again repeating, it is celebrated on 14 November. Why we are celebrated? Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, and he loves children. He loves children. We also know him as Chacha Nehru. Children call him Chacha. Your uncle is your Chacha, so he is also Chacha. Like Bapu is Mahatma Gandhi and Chacha is Nehru ji. So we are celebrating both's birthday. Okay. So Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is associated as Gandhi Jayanti, and which is known as Gandhi Jayanti. Jayanti itself is means in Hindi like Jayanti is birthday, and second our Chacha birthday is on 14th November. Just remind it. One is Bapu and second one is Chacha Nehru. Okay. Then move to our next. On your 5th page number 26, you can see here. That is टीचर्स डे. अभी चिल्ड्रंस डे है, आपका दिन है तो हमारा दिन भी होना चाहिए. सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. ओके. So if there is children's day, there will be a teachers day also. We have to just celebrate ours day also. So there is teachers day also. Now it also have a definite date. Like it's not like Diwali, Holi जिनका डेट शफल होता रहे. इस बार 25 अक्टूबर को है, नेक्स्ट ईयर 20 अक्टूबर को. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट ऑल्सो हैव अ डेफिनेट डेट लाइक 14 नवंबर, लाइक 15th अगस्त, लाइक 26 जनवरी, 2nd अक्टूबर. इट ऑल्सो हैज अ डेफिनेट डेट विच इज 5th September. Now it is also connected with someone's birthday. You can see a picture over here in your book. Page number 2626. Who is this person? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. S. Dot. There is S. Dot. At S. His full name is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Why we are celebrating Teachers Day only on his birthday? Now your question arises like why only this day, on his birthday only we are celebrating Teachers Day? So he is the second president of India. Second president of India. Children show their love and gratitude to teachers on this day. You are coming here and you just give a rose to their favorite teacher. They like Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, sir. You made cards with your hand and you gave to your teachers that Happy Teachers Day. So it shows gratitude to your teachers. And he was second president of India. That's why Children's Day celebrated on his birthday. Teachers Day. Why only Teachers Day? He was also teacher. He was teacher also. That's why. His profession is also as a teacher. He served as a teacher in his life. That's why Teachers Day celebrated on his birthday. On what day? I am again repeating. Teachers Day celebrating on 5th September. Why we are celebrating? Whose birthday is here on 5th September? आपके फ्रेंड का बर्थडे नहीं, किसका बर्थडे जो हम नेशनल बना रहे हैं, नेशनल फेस्टिवल मना रहे हैं? डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन. You don't have to write it. I am just writing over here to explain you. You don't have to write it. Okay. So again I am repeating from the beginning of the chapter. We had already talked about, I had already explained about 3 type of festival there. National, religious, harvest. In national festival there is 5 type of, in your book, 5 type of national festival. Independence Day, which is celebrated on 15th August. Why we are celebrating? We are celebrating it because we got freedom on 15th August 1947, where and it is celebrated by whole nation. Okay, whole nation means our India. Second one, Republic Day. Why we are celebrating Republic Day? We adopted our constitution, our own laws on that day in 1950. From 1950 we are celebrating Republic Day. Third one is like Gandhi Jayanti. Today I explained Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrating on Gandhiji's birthday. Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi, Bapu's birthday. Jayanti itself means birthday. Third one is Children's Day. Okay. Fourth one is Children's Day. Children's Day celebrating on 14th of November. Why we are celebrating? Because our first Prime Minister birthday is there and he loves children's, and we call them Chacha Nehru as well as. Okay. One is Bapu and second one is Chacha Nehru. Fifth is Teachers Day. If you are celebrating your day, then we are celebrating our day also. So there is Teachers Day also. Why we are celebrating our second President of India? Prime Minister, you know, and President is different. Prime Minister is Narendra Modi, President is Ramnath Kovind ji till now. Okay, so this is not like I am not going in GK. Let it be. So Teachers Day celebrating on 5th September. Why we are celebrating? Here is also associated with birthday. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. His picture is over here. You can see Dr. Why we are celebrating Teachers Day only? Because on this day he is having birthday and he is served as teacher also. Now we are moving to our next topic. Like I explained you about national festival. Now we are moving towards our next topic, which is religious festival. What is that? Religious festival. Sorry. Religious festivals. Now, what is religious festival? I already taken in first lecture of chapter 4 religious festival, which is related to any particular religion or particular community which is associated with any religion. Like Eid is celebrated by different religion persons, Guru Parv is celebrated by different religions person, and Diwali is celebrated by different religion person, and Christmas is celebrated by different religions person. So religious festival is associated with religion only. It is connected with religion. So in religious festival, different religious people follow different rule, different tradition, different culture. So their celebration is also different and their festival is also different. Some of your friends having Eid as their festival, some of your friends having Diwali, some is there for Christmas. I am celebrating all the festival, and school is also celebrating all the festivals. So religious festival. Now I am going to explain you about religious festival. First is what is in your book, page number 26. First is Dashera. You know Dashera. You all celebrating it, na? Why? Or Ravan. You know Ravana. सुना होगा ना रावण के बारे में. कहाँ देखने जाते हैं रावण, क्यों बनाते हैं दशहरा? Now I am talking about Ravan. I have to talk about Ram also, na? Ramji. You know Ramji, Bhagwan Ram, Lord Rama. So Dashera is just have a story behind Dashera. Like Ramji killed Ravan. ऐसे ही नहीं मार गया था. Ramji killed Ravan. क्यों? There was war between them. Why? Just to tell you, like Ravan is an evil person. Okay, he is not good person at all. And Ramji is good person. You know, Bhagwan Ram, we just do puja on like our favorite is Ram. Your favorite would be Ram. I don't know who is your favorite god, but mine is Ram. Okay, so Ravana is not a good person and Ramji is a good person. So Ravana is not doing good things. He is like Rakshas. So Ramji killed him on that day, and we don't have to kill anyone. We have to just know that that is only the thing. Lord Rama got victory over evil. He is a he resemble, or he just a person as a evil person. Yeah. Okay. So as a evil person, Ravan. Okay, Ravan is a evil person, and Ramji is a good person. So Ramji killed Ravana. There is most of tremendous reason behind it why Ramji killed Ravana. So he killed Ravana and got victory over Ravan, but it's not victory of Ramji. It is victory of good on evil, on good. Like I am a good person. If I am scolding anyone, like one of your friend, मान लेते हैं, चलो, let's imagine, one of your friend in your class is so much notorious. He is just throwing pencil on you. He is just biting you. He is just pinching you. So what I have to do? I have to just go and scold him. Why you are doing this? You don't have to do this. Is not good thing. So this is this type of thing. Ramji just got victory on evil. He doesn't want to kill Ravan. He just, that was just a war. You can already understand, and you can in your family, from dadi, nani, like grandmother, your grandparents, you can ask them a story behind it. So Dashera is celebrated for 10 why अब दशहरा सेलिब्रेट क्यों होता है ये तो मैंने बता दिया. वाई वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग दशहरा, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. बट इन सम पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया, लाइक इन बिहार, गुजरात, इंडिया में हर कहीं भी, on Dashera there is Ram Leela, like the story behind why Ramji killed Ravana. Ram Leela is played by some actors, and that was acted by some professional actors. So Ram Leela is that story which I am telling you to ask your grandparents. Okay, so Ram Leela, story of Lord Rama and Ravana, Meghnad, Sita Mata and Kumbhakarna, and they burn. Okay, the story goes as Ramji came and just throw a bow on the Ravana, and they killed Ravan. As you can see here in Dashera Maidan, or some is in stadium, in somewhere else, in your colony also. In West Bengal there is different culture for Dashera. Okay, in West Bengal Dashera is celebrated as Durga Puja. They are celebrating it. Before Dashera we have Durga Puja also, Durga Navratra, which we is known as Navratri. Okay, so in West Bengal this Dashera is celebrated as Durga Puja. They are worshipping the idols of goddess Durga. Then huge procession, like jhaki type procession is gone. Like here only Ramjis also go to that place, stadium, which is known as a stadium here. And in your colony some person you meet, put makeup and just made him as a Ram, and he just throw that bow, and he just played that role. Simple. So in West Bengal there is Durga Puja. Huge procession is just passed from the main roads from in West Bengal, and they are celebrating it as a Durga Puja. So here in some parts of India, apart from West Bengal, this is celebrated as Dashera. And before Dashera we have Navratri, which is associated with goddess Durga. Like we have 9 avatars of her, and on the 10th day we are celebrating Dashera, and they are celebrating Durga Puja. Then second one is Diwali. After Dashera which festival come? दिवाली. कौन सा आता है भाई? दशहरे के बाद हम कौन सा सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? सॉरी, देयर इज Diwali is known as festival of lights. Why we are telling it festival of lights? You know that earthen lanterns, earthen lamps which you blow, which you just put on your gallery, on the walls of your home. That is just lighten up by you or your mother or anybody else in your family. That is diyas, diya है ना. Earthen lanterns, earthen lamps is known as diya. दिए जलाते हैं हम लोग कि मम्मा दिया तो मैं ही लगाऊंगा, आप बोलते होगे ना मम्मा मैं दिए लगाऊंगी, तो वो वाला दिया, ठीक है. और हम उसे जलाते हैं, इसलिए इसको फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स बोला जाता है. एंड ये दशहरे के कितने दिन बाद आता है? 20 डेज. अब इनका कोई पर्टिकुलर डेट नहीं है. इट डजेंट हैव पर्टिकुलर डेट एज एवर नेशनल फेस्टिवल हैज़. National festival has particular date. It doesn't have particular date. It's like first is Dashera. After 20 days of Dashera there is Diwali. We celebrate Diwali as the like I already told you, Ram ji killed Ravana. It is victory of good over evil. When Ram ji comes return at his home after 20 days, he just took a path. He came home. When he came home, at that day there is Diwali. And why we are just lighting up that earthen lanterns? Why? That is the day of Amavasya, and why we put lights in his road so he can see that road. That's why we are putting light, and to celebrate it also. Every in Ayodhya, Ayodhya is home of Ramji. Now it is just going in news also, you can hear that there. So Ayodhya is home of Ramji. He returned from Sri Lanka, that is the place of Ravana, to Ayodhya, and it takes 20 days. When he came back home, we are celebrating that day as Diwali. Your mama made rangoli on your doorstep, or your sister, or might be you are making that. So rangoli, you are eating sweets. Your mother makes different type of sweets. You wear new clothes and all. So you are celebrating Diwali as a huge. That is, I also love Diwali. Okay, I used to make rangoli at my doorstep also. So on this day, you are celebrating it as a big festival. It's not like छोटा festival है, सब कोई मना रहा है, कोई नहीं मना रहा है. सभी, we are all celebrating it. We used to just firecrackers also, but it is not good for nature, so don't use it. Okay. Now I am repeating religious festival again. Okay. So first religious festival I explained you, Dashera. Why we are celebrating Dashera? This is associated with victory of good over evil. After and in West Bengal, Dashera is celebrated as Durga Puja. On that day, West Bengal is not celebrating Dashera. Apart from India, West Bengal is also a state of India. Okay. मैं SST में नहीं जाना चाहती, sorry. So in West Bengal, Dashera, a day of Dashera is celebrated as Durga Puja. And then we are coming on Diwali. After 20 days of Dashera, Diwali is celebrating. Why? After 20 days, Ramji came home, at his home, and we clay lamp, diyas, and we put rangoli over there, and goddess Durga Puja is also there. Your mother, your father is just sitting in a puja. That is goddess Lakshmi Puja. Sorry, Lakshmi Puja is there. Sweets and gift. You got gifts from your relatives. You get new clothes. You get new clothes on that day. Na? That is also celebrated by most areas in India. Most areas in whole India is celebrating it. We are also celebrating it. But children and New Year's, it is also New Year for that Bahi Khata. You know Bahi Khata, and that account. That is accounts New Year in India. This is Indian New Year. So it is Indian New Year also, and the goddess Lakshmi Puja is also associated with there. Most of the businessmen whole persons are doing Lakshmi Puja on this day and offer sweets to others also, as well as goddess Durga also. And this is New Year also. So I am repeating your whole chapter from the beginning, okay, to get the link. First chapter name is our festival. Our festival has 3 type of festivals. Okay, 3 type. First is national festival. second is religious festival, and third one is harvest festival. National festival, I explained. In national festival there is Independence Day, which is celebrated on 15th August. Republic Day, which is celebrating on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti, which is celebrated on 2nd October. Then Children's Day, which is celebrated on 14th November. Then Teachers Day, which is celebrated on 5th September. Then we came on religious festival. Religious festival means which is associated with any of the religion. So I explained you about Dashera. Why we are, Dashera is after Navratri. In here, after Navratri, we are celebrating Dashera. It is a victory of good on evil, and in West Bengal it is celebrated as Durga Puja. Okay, that is different. Whole India is celebrating Dashera, but West Bengal is celebrating Durga Puja. Huge procession is just taken out on this day in West Bengal, as well as in all parts of India. Huge procession. Ram Leela is done by some actors in some areas. Then after 20 days of Dashera, there is Diwali. Goddess Lakshmi Pujan is there. Sweets, rangoli, diyas, that is clay lamp, earthen lamps you can call, and this is also known as festival lights. Okay. For today itself, it's done. Thank you very much and bye.